Have you ever wished for a magic cream that could make wrinkles vanish and bring back the youthful glow to your skin? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to share a miraculous homemade remedy that works wonders for wrinkles, fine lines, and dry, dull skin. This cream not only helps reduce wrinkles, but also deeply hydrates your skin, making it softer, smoother, and more radiant with every use. You won't believe how effective it is until you try it yourself. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a go-to remedy for flawless, wrinkle-free skin. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, where I bring you simple yet powerful DIY remedies and beauty tips to enhance your natural glow. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you'll never miss any of my amazing tips. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a big thumbs up, it really means a lot to me. Now, let's dive into today's magical anti-wrinkle cream. But before we get started, let me ask you this. Do you know what makes Vaseline so effective in skincare? Or why honey is considered nature's best moisturizer? If you're not sure, don't worry, I'll explain it all. And if you think you know, drop your answers in the comments below. Let's see how many of you get it right. Imagine having a cream that not only erases wrinkles, but also deeply nourishes and rejuvenates your skin, all with natural, everyday ingredients. Yes, it's possible. And today this cream is super effective and works wonders on fine lines, dryness, and dullness. From the very first use, you'll notice your skin feels softer, smoother, and more radiant. Trust me, this is one remedy you don't want to miss. Now, let's get started with our magical anti-wrinkle cream. As I introduce each ingredient, I'll show you how to use it and explain why it's so powerful for your skin. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Keep watching because I've got a few interesting questions for you along the way. Let's start with our hero ingredient, Vaseline. It acts as a powerful moisturizer, locking in hydration and creating a barrier to prevent water loss. This is what helps to plump up the skin, reducing the appearance of wrinkles. Plus, Vaseline is safe for all skin types. Fun fact, did you know Vaseline has been used for over 150 years in skincare? Amazing, right? To start, take 2 tablespoons of Vaseline and place it in a heat-safe bowl. Add a small amount of water and place the bowl over a double boiler method. If you've never used Vaseline like this before, let me know in the comments. This will gently melt the Vaseline without losing its properties. Stir it until it's completely melted. See how it turns into this smooth, silky texture? That's the base of our magical cream. Look at this silky texture. It's already starting to look like a luxurious cream. Next, we have olive oil. This ingredient is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin E, which help fight free radicals and boost skin elasticity. It's like giving your skin a healthy dose of nourishment. Can anyone guess why olive oil is often called liquid gold for the skin? If you're not sure, let me know in the comments and I'll share the answer. Olive oil, often called liquid gold for the skin. It's packed with antioxidants and vitamin E, which fight free radicals and improve skin elasticity. This makes it a fantastic anti-aging ingredient. Now, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the melted Vaseline and mix it well. Notice how the olive oil blends beautifully with the Vaseline. This step is key to making the cream deeply nourishing for your skin. Look how beautifully it blends in. This is where the magic starts to happen. Moving on, we add coconut oil. This multitasking oil boosts collagen production, which is essential for firm and youthful skin. It also helps to even out skin tone. And the best part, it smells amazing, giving this cream a natural, pleasant fragrance, which is a powerhouse for hydration and collagen production. It also helps even out skin tone and adds a natural glow. Add 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to the bowl and stir it in until it's fully combined. Can you see how smooth and creamy this is getting? This is what will make your skin feel soft and rejuvenated instantly. Honey is the next ingredient, and it's one of my favorites. It hydrates the skin, leaving it plump and glowing. Honey also has natural antibacterial properties, making it great for keeping your skin healthy. Do you know how honey helps to soothe dry and irritated skin? If not, don't worry, I've got your back. Honey is one of my favorite ingredients in skincare. It's a natural humectant, meaning it draws moisture into the skin, leaving it hydrated and plump. Plus, its antibacterial properties keep your skin healthy. Add 1 tablespoon of honey to the mixture and mix it well. It also has anti-aging and antibacterial properties, making it a star ingredient. The honey not only gives this cream a velvety texture, but also boosts its wrinkle-reducing power. Can you guess why honey is often used in ancient beauty remedies? If not, drop your guesses in the comments, and I'll tell you why. Let me ask you, what's your favorite skincare use for honey? If you don't have one yet, this cream might become your go-to. Then comes almond oil, a fantastic source of vitamins A and E. This oil helps smooth out fine lines and wrinkles, leaving your skin feeling velvety soft. It's perfect for repairing and rejuvenating tired skin. Add 1 tablespoon of almond oil and mix it thoroughly, which help repair skin and reduce fine lines. It also gives your skin a radiant glow. Look at how luxurious this cream is starting to look, and the best part, it's completely natural. The almond oil makes this cream super nourishing. Your skin is going to love it. Cream still not completed, we need to add ingredients for best and magical results. This cream is a game changer. Store this cream in an airtight container, and you can use it for up to 2 weeks. Keep it in a cool, dry place, or refrigerate it for an extra soothing effect. Trust me, applying this cool cream feels like a mini spa treatment. You will get softer, smoother skin from the very first use, wrinkles and fine lines visibly reduced with regular use. A natural radiant glow that lasts all day. It's perfect for all skin types, and the best part, it's completely natural and free of any harsh chemicals. And finally, we have aloe vera gel. Known for its soothing and hydrating properties, aloe vera also stimulates collagen production, making it a must-have for anti-aging remedies. If you've ever used aloe vera on your skin, you know how instantly refreshing it feels. Add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel to the bowl and give it a good mix. Aloe vera is known for boosting collagen production, which keeps the skin firm and youthful. There you have it, a smooth, creamy, and super effective anti-wrinkle cream that's ready to use. Have you ever used fresh aloe vera straight from the plant? If you have, let me know in the comments below. If not, please check my video, How to Make Aloe Vera Gel at Home. And there you have it, our luxurious anti-wrinkle cream is ready. With regular use, this cream reduces the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, hydrates and nourishes the skin deeply, restores a youthful, radiant glow. The best part? It's suitable for all skin types and free from harsh chemicals. Now, let's talk about how this cream works and how to use it. Start with clean, dry skin. Take a small amount of the cream and apply it to your face and neck. Massage gently in upward circular motions for about 3 to 5 minutes. This massage helps the cream penetrate deeper and stimulates blood circulation. The result? Softer, smoother, and visibly plumper skin. You'll feel the difference after just one use. Leave it on overnight or for at least 30 minutes if you're short on time. Your skin will feel incredibly soft and hydrated from the very first use. You'll feel your skin getting softer and smoother instantly. This cream is suitable for all skin types. Whether you have dry, oily, or sensitive skin, it works like a dream. Improves skin elasticity, hydrates deeply, giving your skin a natural glow. This cream fades fine lines and dryness with consistent use. I guarantee you'll see visible results right from the first use. But remember, consistency is key. Use it daily to maintain those youthful, wrinkle-free results. It's like giving your skin a natural spa treatment at home. If you're as excited as I am, give this recipe a try and share your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear how this cream worked for you. So, what are you waiting for? Try this magical cream today and let me know your results in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing beauty tips and remedies. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care.